Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Facebook with Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture, then the three lines icon to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then Account Center at the very top. Here, you'll see an option to add accounts. Choose Facebook and follow the prompts to log in and confirm the connection. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your accounts are linked, you can customize your sharing preferences. Within the Account Center, select Connected Experiences and then Sharing across profiles. Here, you can choose which Instagram content like your stories or posts automatically appears on your Facebook profile or a specific Facebook page. You have full control over what gets shared and where, making it easy to manage your content flow. If you ever decide to unlink your accounts, the process is just as simple. Go back to the Account Center in your Instagram settings. Under Accounts and Profiles, tap on the Facebook account you want to remove. You'll see an option to Remove from Account Center. Confirm your choice, and your Instagram and Facebook profiles will be disconnected. This gives you flexibility to manage your social media presence. Syncing your accounts offers great benefits, like saving time by cross-posting your content effortlessly. It also helps you expand your reach, ensuring your posts are seen by your audience on both Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.